Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm about to take my 76 Monte Carlo into the upholstery shop. I'm gonna go get the interior redone like I had said in my previous video. But before that, I just wanted to make a quick video on my exhaust system. I got full dual exhaust from the headers all the way back, dual exhaust. I don't know if you guys already know, but I'm going with a lowrider project for this car. I want to make it into a lowrider. I know a lot of lowriders have like glass house exhaust. A lot of my friends who own lowriders were telling me to get a glass house exhaust. The guy who did my exhaust system, which was one of the OG lowrider guys, he was from the Ferris Car Club. He recommended glass house, but at the end he told me do what I want. What I wanted was Flowmaster system, so I got two 40 series Flowmasters on it. And let me show you what it sounds like. I'm gonna put my phone down, so I don't know if you're gonna get to see the car, but at least you get to hear it. I'm about to turn it on, idle for a couple seconds, then rev it. So alright, here we go. Alright, so that's what it sounds like. I'm gonna go drive it to the shop right now. I'll try to make a video of how it sounds on the road, but I'm not good with video editing, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to integrate that video into this video, make one long video. But if I do it, you'll see it on this video. Catch you guys later. Okay, so right now I'm in the 76. Time to drop to the shop. I don't know if you can hear it idling right now, but you're about to hear how it sounds driving if I don't get pulled over. I don't know if you were able to hear it, but as you can see, it doesn't sound too bad from inside. Kind of quiet, especially when you're just bumping some music. I'm gonna step on it right now, show you what it sounds like when you're actually giving it some gas. And that's what it sounds like when you step on it. Catch you guys later.